Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Children, today we are going to read lesson number 6, A Young Girl and Her Diary. Children, the name of the young girl is Annie Frank. She and her family had to spend 2 years in a small room with 7 other people for almost 2 years and never be allowed to step out and breathe fresh air. Can you imagine how did they live in such a small room? Because they were not allowed to live properly in Germany. Why? Because Nazis did not want that Jews could survive and their culture should survive. And just see this picture. This is a picture of Annie's bedroom in the secret annex. Annie and her family lived the secret annex for over 2 years. Can you see this place? It is quite difficult to live here for 2 years, and these are the 7 people who were there in the small room. So, children, should we start the lesson today? Yeah. During the World War II in Europe, the Nazis of Germany considered the Jews as inferior to them. Jews were the people who followed the religion Judaism, and the ruler of the Germany did not like them. They think that Jews are inferior to them, so they have no right to live in the Germany. They wanted to destroy the Jewish people and their culture. As a result, they started sending the Jews to prison camp. Prison, it means jail. In the prison camp, they started to sending the Jews there so that they should not survive. Annie Frank was also a Jew. To save herself and her family, Annie, along with her mother Edith, father Otto, and sister Margot, went into hiding in the backroom office and warehouse of Annie's father's business. There was a small room, and there they went and for hiding to save their own life. 4 other Jews also hid with them in the small space, and their non-Jewish friends smuggled food and other supplies to them. It means they have some friends, and those friends helped them to supply whatever necessary things were there to survive. Okay, they helped them, children, but they were not allowed to come out from that small room. Annie Frank was born on 12th June 1929. She began to keep a diary on her 13th birthday, 12th June 1942. 3 weeks later, they went into hiding. Annie's family never left their hideous until, unfortunately, the Nazi police discovered them in August 1944. In 1944, Nazi police discovered that some people are hiding there, and then they had to come out from that small place. They were then moved to the concentration camp where Annie's mother died in 1945. Soon afterwards, Annie and her sister also died of an infectious disease. Their father was the only family member who had survived. When friends found Annie's diary in a hiding place, they gave it to her father, who got it published in 1947. Annie, who missed the company of her friends, because when they went to the hiding place, she missed her friends. She missed her friends because she was not allowed to meet them, and because she had no friends, she had made the diary her friend. She started maintaining a diary. She had maintained a diary. Ultimately, the closest friend she had during her tragically short life was her diary. Whatever she had thinking, or whatever she wanted to share with her friends, she wrote in the diary, and she addressed the diary as Kitty. She had given the name to the diary Kitty. It was only to Kitty that she entrusted her innermost thoughts. Whatever she thought, she wrote it into the diary. Annie's thoughts of courage and hope are recorded in her diary. They have inspired millions of readers throughout the world. After publishing, everybody could read about the thoughts of the Annie Frank. So, the people who read it, they got inspired. Here are some excerpts from her diary. When I write, I can shake off all my cares. April 5, 1944. When did she write this line? On 5th April 1944. She has written, when I write, I can shake off all my cares. When I write, I can shake off all my cares. It means to let go of all the cares. Whatever I had in my mind, whatever is there in my heart, I want to write that. I want to tell to my diary. Describing her despair, disappointment. She was quite disappointed also. So she is asking, I have reached the point where I hardly care whether I live or die. अभी इतने 2 साल बीत रहे हैं, इतना टाइम हो गया है, and we are just unable to breathe in fresh air also. We are just unable to come out from the small place. So, I think that I am hardly care that I will live or die. मैं मरूंगी या जिंदा रहूंगी, I don't care about that. The world will keep on turning without me, and I can't do anything to change events anyway. दुनिया हमारे बगैर भी चल सकती है. The world will keep on turning without me. अगर हम नहीं रहे तो भी तो दुनिया चल सकती है ना. Who cares about that? Only some people who are related to us, they think about us. Otherwise, nobody is going to affect it. I'll just let matters take their course. जो भी कुछ है वो अपने ढंग से चल रहा है and चलता रहेगा. I cannot change events anyway. हम किसी भी चीज़ को बदल नहीं सकते. And concentrate on studying and hope that everything will be all right in the end. But I can hope that someday will come when everything will be all right in the end. When did she write it? She has written it on February 3rd, 1944. Again, on her old country, Germany, fine specimens of humanity, those Germans, and to think I am actually one of them. मैं अभी भी सोचती हूँ that I am one of the Germans. No, that's not true. Hitler took away our nationality long ago. उसने हमारी nationality, Hitler, who was the ruler of the Germany, he is a tyrant man. He was a tyrant man. And besides, there are no greater enemies on earth than the Germans and Jews, because he wanted to finish the Jews. So Anne Frank has written this. On still believing, it's a wonder I haven't abandoned all my ideals. Anne Frank has written that she has hope in her heart. They seem too absurd and impractical, yet I cling to them because I still believe, in spite of everything, that people are truly good at heart. कितना भी टायरेंट है हिटलर, बट फिर भी तो जर्मन्स ने उनको अंदर where they were hiding, they got food and whatever they needed, necessary things they got from their non-Jewish friends. So she is saying that now also I think that some people are there who are truly good at heart. It's utterly impossible for me to build my life on a foundation of course, suffering and death. I cannot depend. I can't say that it is impossible कि मेरी death नहीं हो सकती. Why should I think about this? I see the world being slowly transformed into a wilderness. धीरे धीरे देख रही हूँ ये world जो है it is changing and some wilder people are also here. I hear the approaching thunder that one day will destroy us too, because they were quite afraid that somebody will come and they discover, and it happened also. So she is saying that I feel the suffering of millions, बहुत से लोग who were suffered a lot, and yet when I look up at the sky I somehow feel that everything will change for the better. हर रात के बाद सवेरा होता है. So she was also hopeful that some day will come when something better will happen, that this cruelty too shall end. The cruelty of the Hitler will change, that peace and tranquility will return once more. जितने अच्छे ढंग से how peacefully we lived earlier, it will again come. Children, I think you could understand. Okay children,